What is it that we do? This is a picture of your economic life. These arrows are your many advisors. You have an accountant, an attorney, probably several insurance people, a stockbroker, an online trading account, a financial planner or two, a golf buddy, a couple of church buddies, and a radio show host, all providing you advice. The activities of all these various advisors tend to cancel each other out, leaving the doctor with no progress toward goals. We coordinate all of these pieces to move the doctor in one direction, toward critical capital mass. Critical capital mass is your ability to write a check every month for the rest of your life and that of your spouse for your lifestyle purchasing power needs. We are in 6 businesses to achieve critical capital mass. Doctor's Financial Education. Through seminars in your area and presentation at medical society meetings and this online resource, we try to provide the financial education which has not been provided as part of your medical training. Income protection. Our doctors protect their earnings from loss to disability using premium refund disability insurance, from loss to premature death using life insurance and premium refund life insurance, and protect earnings against loss to long-term care expense using premium refund long-term care insurance paid on a pre-tax basis through their C corporations with 100% of premiums refunded at death. Risk management. Our doctors efficiently insure their malpractice exposures using reciprocal captive insurance companies with loss of income coverages paid with pre-tax dollars through their C corporations. Protection against frivolous lawsuits using the medical justice insurance program, and protect accounts receivable and other assets from loss to judgment creditors using specially designed accounts receivable funding programs. Investment management. The philosophy of the association had been that doctors do not need to take risk with their investments in order to reach critical capital mass. Therefore, use of insurance company equity indexed and fixed annuity programs earning inflation plus 2 to 3% have been a basic recommendation. We have learned over the years that there are many doctors that do not have time to accumulate the savings needed for critical mass or are not interested in working until age 65. For those doctors, achieving the highest return for risk assumed in institutional portfolios using modern portfolio theory has been the solution, based on the Nobel Prize research by Harry Markowitz and William Sharpe. Currently, in the investment world, institutions and high net worth investors look for additional returns beyond the beta provided by indexes and actively managed modern portfolio theory portfolios. For those investors with appropriate risk tolerance, there are currency trading programs and alpha investment managers who have demonstrated the ability to outperform market expectations. The appropriate portfolio is based on the doctor's risk tolerance and available working years. Value system endowment. For doctors that have reached critical mass and have continued earnings or have accumulated savings significantly in excess of critical mass, there are 2 questions. 1, what size economic safety nets do you wish to leave for your children? Once the most efficient structures are established to fund those economic safety nets, the second question is, which institutions or charitable projects do you care about deeply? Our doctors then establish family public charities or appropriate charitable structures to fund those projects, and in some cases, to guarantee permanent funding for those projects.